The game is a fusion of soccer and pool, where two players attempt to score by getting balls into their opponent's goal. This is done by catapulting projectiles into the game balls to knock them in the right direction. The game is an overhead view, but all three dimensions are used, as it is possible to chip a ball over the top of oncoming projectiles. Rather than a single ball like soccer, we chose to add 7, making it less obvious what the opponent will try to do, as well as increasing the level of chaos in general. Obvious inspirations include Foosball, Subbuteo, and more recently video games like Rocket League. Style-wise, we've gone for a somewhat abstract sci-fi high-tech feel. By fusing many of the ideas from these games with an emphasis on touch, we've created something fresh and fun. We wanted some sort of soccer game that inspires users to get their fingers all over the device and make use of all the touch points. Initially, we were thinking of making a foosball table, but that would have limited touches to a small area of the screen, which seemed like a waste. The game evolved into an original hybrid of soccer and pool, with launched balls being used to knock the scoring balls towards the opponent's goal. We experimented with flick gestures, but eventually settled on a catapult-like metaphor with a 2-finger drag and release gesture. This lets the user control both the angle and velocity of the launch. The wall blocker can be placed with a simple 3-finger tap gesture. The app was written specifically for the new Lenovo Yoga. It was developed in Unity and facilitates true multi-touch up to all 10 points of the device. The gestures have been coded from scratch using the raw point data, and it's possible to have several activated simultaneously. The gestures feel natural and make use of the large space. A lot of effort was put into making the app performant. Initially, we were dealing with over 1 million triangles, thousands of draw calls, and lots of unnecessary strain. Now we're down to counts suitable for mobile, so they run with lots of overhead on PC devices. The testing and bug fixing phase has ironed out minor gameplay issues, and the app is stable. The UI is colorblind friendly and has been kept very simple, keeping the focus on the rich game visuals. The UI uses large finger-friendly buttons with modern icons. Particular effort has been given to displaying touch feedback. We combine both clear indicators for individual touches with clear lines for the launch gestures. As an extra touch, we added a subtle rippling effect that responds both to in-game objects and finger interactions. For usability, the in-game UI provides a separate head-up display for each player, presented from their perspective. This shows them the time remaining, their projectile and blocker ammo, and the score. This way, the data they need is always facing them. We hope you enjoy our new game, and thank you very much for watching.